Hey y'all, how y'all doing? This is the kitchen. You see, everything pretty much already set up. Got my dishwasher, got my stove, got the microwave. What's this? I got food in here? Who put that food in here? Washer and dryer connection. This is going to be painted to a dark colored stained wood. So tune in for that, and the brick is going to be cleaned up so it could be a lot cleaner. Hello, New Creation Construction. New Creation Construction.
Hey,
Y'all on Facebook Live, just letting you know. So don't be doing no cussing, okay?
Oh, we gonna do that.
Okay.
Don't talk too tight. Don't talk too tight.
We don't cuss.
They're putting in
I gotta go up on this
the
side.
master
I
bathroom,
gotta go
shower.
up, okay? Go ahead up. Okay.
Somebody got that food in the refrigerator. Who that? Is that lunch?
Go ahead and tighten it.
Wait a minute, dear. We got this
Hold
glass.
on a second.
We got this glass. We can't break it.
Oh, okay, yeah, but I don't pay for that.
Alright. Hold up. I see what's going on.
It's enough for two people, y'all, to be in the shower together.
Just rub it on there. I'll check it out in a minute. Alright, show me the picture of the handle.
How you doing?
Hey, the handle.
Okay. Let me show you. I'm about to show him the handle right here, y'all. Hold on a moment.